Introducing the Zuimi Hezo E-Motorcycle, revolutionizing your ride with cutting-edge technology and thrilling performance. With a maximum speed of 130 km per hour and a range of 100 to 220 km per charge, the Hezo E-Motorcycle delivers both speed and endurance. Equipped with a lithium battery and available in power options of 5,000 or 8,000 watts, this motorcycle offers unmatched performance and efficiency. Stay safe and in control with hydraulic brakes and smart sensor technology, ensuring a smooth and secure ride every time. Whether you're commuting to work or exploring the open road, the Zui Hezo E-Motorcycle is the perfect companion for any adventure. Don't miss out on the ultimate riding experience. Like, share, and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content. Check the description for the link to buy now and start your electrifying journey today.